17 region in the Philippines. Region 1, Ilocos. Ilocos Norte, capital, Lao City. Ilocos Sur, capital, Vegan City. La Union, capital, San Fernando City. Pangasinan, capital, Lingayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, capital, Basco. Cagayan, capital, Tagigaraw City. Isabela, capital, Iligan. Nueva Vizcaya, capital, Bayumbon. Quirino, capital, Cabarukis. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, capital, Baler. Bataan, capital, Balanga City. Bulacan, capital, Malolo City. Pampanga, capital, San Fernando City. Nueva Ecija, capital, Balayan City. Tarlac, capital, Tarlac City. Zambales, capital, Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, capital, Batangas City. Cavite, capital, Tres Martires City. Laguna, capital, Santa Cruz. Quezon, capital, Lucena City. Rizal, capital, Antipolo City. Region 4B, Memoropa. Marinduque, capital, Boac City. Occidental Mindoro, capital, Mambobarao City. Oriental Mindoro, capital, Calapan City. Palawan, capital, Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, capital, Romblon City. Region 5, Bicol City. Albay, capital, Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, capital, Dait City. Camarines Sur, capital, Pili. Catanduanes, capital, Verac. Masbate, capital, Masbate City. Sorsogon, capital, Sorsogon City. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, capital, Kalibo. Antique, capital, San Jose. Capiz, capital, Rojas City. Guimaras, capital, Jordan City. Iloilo, capital, Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, capital, Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, capital, Tagbilaran, Bohol. Cebu, capital, Cebu City. Negros Oriental, capital, Dumaguete City. Siquijor, capital, Siquijor City. Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, capital, Naval. Eastern Samar, capital, Burungan City. Leyte, capital, Tacloban City. Northern Samar, capital, Catarman. Southern Leyte, capital, Maasin City. Western Samar Capital Catanduanes Region 9 Zamboanga Peninsula Zamboanga del Norte Capital Dipolog City Zamboanga del Sur Capital Pagadian City Zamboanga Sibugay Capital Ipil Region 10 Northern Mindanao Bukidnon Capital Malaybalay City Camiguin Capital Mambahaw Lanao del Norte Capital Tubod Misamis Oriental Capital Orocalitay City Misamis Oriental Capital Cagayan de Oro City Region 11 Davao Compostela Valley Capital Nabunturan Davao del Norte Capital Tagum City Davao del Sur Capital Digo City Davao Oriental Capital City of Mati Region 12 Sacsargen Cotabato North Cotabato Capital Kidapawan City Sarangani Capital Alabang South Cotabato Capital Coronadal City Sultan Kudarat Capital Isulan Region 13 Caraga Agusan del Norte Capital Cabadbaran City Agusan del Sur Capital Prosperidad City Dinagat Island Capital San Jose City Surigao del Norte Capital Surigao City Surigao del Sur Capital Tandag City RMM Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Basilan Capital Basilan Lanao del Sur Capital Marawi City Maguindanao Capital Sharif Agwar Magani Sharif Kabunsuan Capital Dato Odin Sinsuat Sulu Capital Hulu Tawi-Tawi Capital Panglima Sugala Balimbing Car Region Cordillera Administrative Region Aburha Capital Banguet Apayao Capital Cabugao City Benguet Capital La Trinidad Ifugao Capital Lagaw Kalinga Capital Tabuk Mount Province Capital Buntok NCR National Capital Region Cities Caloocan Las Piñas Makati Malabon Mandaluyong Manila Marikina Muntinlupa Navotas Parañaque Pasay Pasig Quezon City San Juan Taguig City Valenzuela Municipality Patiros